Hi friends, welcome back to my channel Super Cool Couponer. Today I will show you my CVS deal update on Sunday, May 23rd to Saturday, May 29, 2021. And these are all digital and printable coupon deal. Before we start, make sure you send to all your manufacturer digital coupon on your CVS app so you can combine with the digital and printable coupon deal. Next week, we have very short ad on only just 9 page, but I just found some good deal, so let's begin with my first deal. So my first deal is select Colgate Total, Optic White or Max Face toothpaste deal. Buy 2 Colgate toothpaste and get back $4 ECB. They have limit 2 per household. It's on sale $3.99 each. You can buy 2 Colgate Max Fresh toothpaste 6 OZ. It's $7.98. It's $3.99 each. Also, we have one $3 off 2 Colgate toothpaste digital coupon. You can just pay or roll $4.98 and get back $4 ECB. The final cost is only just 98 cents or 49 cents each. My next deal is if you have this 4 of $16 Colgate CVS CRT, you can buy 4 Colgate Max Fresh toothpaste. It's total $15.96. It's $3.99 each. So you can use 1 4 of $16 Colgate Oral Care CVS CRT. Also, you can use one $3 of 2 Colgate toothpaste digital coupon. The total coupon is $7. Pay or roll $8.96 and get back $8 ECB. The final cost is only just 96 cents or 24 cents each. But check back on Sunday if we get any printable or digital coupon. Generally, if any come on the paper coupon, we get the printable and digital coupon. So make sure to check on Sunday. My next deal is Colgate Optic White, Enamel or Sensitive toothpaste deal and Colgate toothpaste deal and one Colgate mouthwash and Colgate toothbrush deal. Buy 2 Colgate Sensitive or Optic White toothpaste and get back $5 ECB. This one has a limit 2 per household and it's on sale $4.99 each. Also, you can buy 2 Colgate toothpaste and get back $4 ECB. It's on sale $3.99 each. Also, you can buy 2 Colgate mouthwash and toothbrush and get back $5 ECB. This one has also limit 2 per household. It's on sale $4.49 each. Buy 2 Colgate Sensitive toothpaste 6 OZ. It's $9.98. Also, you can buy 2 Colgate Max Fresh toothpaste 6 OZ. It's $7.98 because it's $3.99 each. Also, you can buy 2 Colgate mouthwash 16.9 OZ. It's $8.98. It's $4.49 each. But make sure to check which mouthwash included because they say select mouthwash and toothbrush. You can buy toothbrush also instead of the mouthwash. The totals come out $26.94. You can use one $5 of $25 Colgate Oral Care CVS CRT. Use one $3 of 2 Colgate toothpaste digital coupon. The total coupon is $8. Pay or roll $18.94 and get back $5 ECB for the Colgate Sensitive and get back $4 ECB for the Colgate Max Fresh and get back $5 ECB for the Colgate mouthwash. The final cost is only just $4.94 or 82 cents each. But if we don't get the any printable and digital coupon on Sunday, you can print them on the colgate.com. I don't able to print that coupons, that's why I didn't show up in this transaction. But if you able to print that 75-cent coupon, so you can add with this transaction and get the better price. My next deal is Total Home Household Deal Scenario 1. Spend $15 on Total Home product and get back $5 ECB. This one has a limit 1 per household. Buy 5 Total Home plastic spoon 48 CTs $15.95. It's $3.19 each in my store. You can use one $3 of $9 Total Home CVS CRT. Also, you can use one $2 of $7 just the basic CVS CRT. The total coupon is $5. This to CRT is attached with this product. When I scan this product, this to coupon it's pop up. So always scan the product which CRT is attached with the product. So make sure if you have this to CRT, you can scan the product before you buy. Pay or roll $10.95 and get back $5 ECB. The final cost is only just $5.95 or $1.19 each. My next deal is Total Home Household Deal Scenario 2. Spend 15 and get back $5 ECB. Buy one Total Home plastic cup 100 CT, it's $11.99. Also, you can buy one Total Home paper towel, it's $3.99 each. The totals come out $15.98. You can use one $3 of 9 Total Home CVS CRT. Also, you can use $2 of 7 just the basic CVS CRT. This two CRT also attached with the cup and the bowl. So you can pay $10.98 and get back $5 ECB. The final cost is only just $5.98 or $2.99 each. My next deal is any Sikh razor or refill deal. Buy two and get back $10 ECB. They have limit 1 per household. You can buy one Sikh intimate refill, it's $10.99. Also, you can buy one Sikh Hydro Sikh 3 refill, it's $12.49. The totals come out $23.48. You can use one $5 of $20 any Save Care or oral hygienic product CVS CRT. Use one $4 of Sikh Hydro Sikh refill CVS CRT. Use one $4 of Sikh Woman digital coupon and use one $4 of Sikh Woman printable coupon on coupon.com. If you didn't print that coupon, it's still available on coupon.com. The total coupon is $17. Pay or roll $6.48 and get back $10 ECB. The final cost is free plus $3.52 money maker. If you don't have the $4 of Sikh Hydro Sikh refill CVS CRT, still get the better price for these two deal. My next deal is Garnier facial care deal. Spend $25 on Garnier facial care and get back $7 ECB. This one has a limit 1 per household. Buy one Garnier Green Lab Serum 2.4 OZ, it's $22.49. Also, you can buy one Garnier Skin Active Micellar Makeup Remover Wipe, it's $7.79. Altogether, the totals come out $30.28. Make sure to check in this deal if you want to buy the Garnier mask. This one they sell any Garnier facial care, so must be it's included the face mask. So make sure to check before purchase on the Sunday. You can use one $6 of $25 Garnier facial care CVS CRT. Use two $5 of Garnier Green Lab Serum CVS CRT. Use $2 of Garnier Micellar Water CVS CRT. Also, we have one $2 of Garnier digital coupon. I am not sure it's $2, yeah, higher value, but it's available on May 23. The total coupon is $22. Pay or roll $8.28 and get back $7 ECB, plus you can earn $3 beauty reward. The final cost is free plus $1.72 money maker. My next deal is household deal. Spend $30 on household and get back $10 ECB. It's limit 1 per household. You can buy one Duracell Optimum Extra Life battery 6CT, it's $11.79. Also, you can buy one Duracell Copper Top battery 8CT, it's $8.99. Also, you can buy one Child Liquid 92 OZ, it's $11.94. The totals come out $32.72. You can use one $3 of $12 Tide product CVS CRT. Use one $5 of Duracell 6CT app only coupon. And also you can use one $3 of Tide Liquid digital coupon. The total coupon is $11. Pay or roll $21.72 and get back $10 ECB. The final cost is only just $11.72 or $3.90 each. But if you have $5 of $30 any purchase CVS coupon, stack with this deal so you can get the better price for the liquid and the Duracell batteries. My next deal is Garnier hair color deal. Buy 2 Garnier hair care and get back $3 ECB. It's limit 1 per household. It's on sale 2 for $16. Buy 2 Garnier hair color, it's $16. It's 2 for $16. Use one if you have free hair color item CVS CRT. It took maybe $8 or higher value. I can check on the Sunday. I have this hair color CVS CRT, but I am not sure how much they cut on the product. So pay or roll $8 and get back $3 ECB. The final cost is only just $5 and or $2.50 each. But check back on Sunday if we get any printable or digital coupon for this product. My next deal is Babo bathroom tissue and paper towel tissue deal. Buy 2 and get back $3 ECB. This one has a limit 1 per household and it's on sale buy 1 get 1 free. You can buy 4 Babo unbleached bathroom tissue 8 roll. It's $21.98. It's $10.99 each. Also they have buy 1 get 1 free. So basically it's 2 free. So that's the price $21.98. But if you have one buy 2 get 1 free 8 count toilet tissue paper CVS CRT, it's took $10.99. You can just pay $10.99 and get back $3 ECB. The final cost is only just $7.99 or $1.99 each. The next deal is bathroom tissue deal. You can buy, if you have the CRT like that, buy 1 get 2 free Oso soft bar tissue CVS CRT and buy 2 get 3 free green paper towel CVS CRT. This week they have the promotion buy 1 get 1 free. So many store they don't have the Oso soft tissue, but they have the tray green tissue paper towel. So make sure to check on your CVS, and if we get any CRT like that, you can must do this deal. You can buy 6 True Green bar tissue pack, 6 pack. It's $20.94. It's buy 1 get 1 free. Also you can buy 4 Oso soft bar tissue 12 pack. It's $51.96. The totals come out $72.90. You can use buy 1 get 2 free Oso soft bar tissue CVS CRT. It's to $25.98. Also you can buy buy 2 get 3 free green tissue CVS CRT. It's to $10.47. You can just pay or roll nothing out of pocket. The final cost is free. My next deal is food deal. Chips Ahoy and wheat thin cookie deal. Buy 3 and get back $3 ECB. This one has a limit 1 per household and it's on sale 3 for $10. You can buy either one, Chips Ahoy, or you can buy wheat thin cookies. It's $10. It's 3 for $10. Also you can use $1 of Nabisco cookie CVS CRT. Pay or roll $9 and get back $3 ECB. The final cost is only just $6 or $2 each. The next deal is just the basic water bottle deal. It's on sale $2.99 each on this week also. You can buy 2 just the basic water 24 pack. It's $5.98. It's $2.99 each. Use $2 of 2 Big Chill Golden Amber or just the basic 6, 12 or 24 pack CVS CRT. The total coupon is $4. Pay or roll $1.98. The final cost is only just 99 cents each for the 24 pack of water. So friend, this is my next week CVS deal update. I hope this deal is helpful to you. If do, please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Bye bye. See you.